Welcome to AK Motivation 97. Here are two interesting facts about human psychology. Confirmation bias. Humans have a tendency to seek out and interpret information in a way that confirms their pre-existing beliefs or biases. This bias can lead to a limited perspective and hinder the ability to consider alternative viewpoints or evidence. The halo effect. The halo effect is a cognitive bias where our overall impression of a person influences how we perceive and interpret their specific traits or abilities. For example, if we find someone physically attractive, we may automatically assume they possess other positive qualities such as intelligence or kindness, even without concrete evidence. Thanks for watching.